Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. What's going on, familia? What's going on? Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live again on a Monday. Familia, what's going on? I am doing all right. Just went through a very rough night. Everybody here is sick, as you guys know. But yeah, I had a very quick weekend after coming from New York. But here we are, familia. We are live again, and we are ready to look at the market. All right. So, all right. So we're looking at NAS, and let's see what happened last night. Well, I was already looking at it, so you know, I kind of know what was going on. But it's very simple and easy to understand what's happening. The market is definitely trending up, trending to the upside. There's really no news event happening today. Major impact news for the US dollar. This is the 23rd. I'm going to go to here. As you guys see here, nothing major happening. But let's keep it clean. Finbit. Let's go to Finbit. Let's see what's going on as we speak. News events. Quickly just reviewing what was going on last night. Short. This is a very short week, so you guys know by Wednesday the market will be open but closed by noontime. Then reopening on Friday. And then the week after will be pretty solid until New Year's. All right. But it is actually quite weird to see such a trending market, especially when it's so short. But the only thing I like is the fact that we know what was going on here. So, going here, I'm gonna do this. Heavily respecting this area here across Asia and London. But buyers are coming very aggressively here. All right, I'm gonna keep this trend line so we know where liquidity sits. Key points right now. I'm gonna highlight it here. Right here. Right here. And right here. Alright. That means some sort of liquidity sitting around this area that it will try to wipe it out. My thing is that the market is trending up really strong, and it's only 914. But it's coming to a very key important zone that we had in the past, and it's this entire zone that we highlighted before. As you guys know, we are in a correction, in a triangle correction, still inside this zone here, and it's coming back at it. Okay. All right, let me turn on this indicator. Is gonna help us a lot today. I'm gonna turn it on. Move to the 5-minute time frame. And honestly, familia, all I need to know what AHA was doing last night. I need to turn on Bloomberg just in case. Hold on, give me a second. I am turning on my monitor on top. I need to get these news events going. Okay, 1 second. Where is it? Oh. 1 second, familia. I am a little bit beat up too. I think now for sure I'm getting sick. Had a rough night last night. Wife is extremely sick. And I am feeling it, my friends. I'm swollen, like super swollen. It's been like that for a few days now. Here we go. Oh, come on. Bloomberg. There you go. I'll keep it like that. If we're gonna do anything, familia, we're gonna buy. Keep an eye on buying the market. All right. Seems that the market wants to keep pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. So let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's keep it like that. Let's keep buying, but on the pullback. So I just want to see the market coming back into these areas when the market opens to see how it's gonna react to this, because it has been too. What happened? It has been too overbought for quite some time, all across Asia and London. And this setup, many times, it attempt to go up, then do something and go down hard. I'm gonna move it down to a lower time frame. Let's see. Wow. Something is up with this. That's okay. So, alright. That indicator doesn't want to work today. It's okay. No worries. I have the source, guys. You have to move it to my account. My friend gave me the green light to do that. So on a pullback, this thing is gonna skyrocket to the moon. But I believe the market is gonna keep pushing higher. But it has to stop at some point. So let me see where. This is previous analysis. I'm gonna delete this. This is already very cooked. Don't need to see that. I am paying attention to this area here, which is super strong to the upside. And we might find a little bit of resistance. Let's see. She's reading price action. First line of resistance might be around here. Let me draw a line here. Around here. Somewhere around that neighborhood there. I'm gonna keep it like that, all right? But it's definitely moving up. So we got another 10 minutes. Saving. Oh yeah. Yeah, Lisa, thank you for that. Hello, Tony. We're just getting there. I think we got a pretty bad virus from New York, but it's okay. We're humans. We get sick. We get better. We go through ups and downs. It's life. But we had a very good, amazing vacation last week. Looking forward for the next one already. This one will come solo, just me and my wife, not bringing the kids. But probably January time. Right now we're not even talking about it. You think it's fitting in the gap? The gap? What gap? The gap from the top or the bottom? There was a big gap at the bottom yesterday. You're talking about this gap here? It never came not even close to it. But probably, Tony, you got a point. It could do that since it left a lot of pending orders, resting orders here. It's a matter of time. The market is very overbought at this point. But this is buyers from Asia and London that decided to crank the market up. We got to see what New York is going to do. So you got a little bit of consolidation here, but if you look at the size of this market here and you compare it to New York, it's the same right now. Look, they run the same amount of pips right now. Points are at this point. So we got to see what New York gonna do from it. I keep it to the upside still because of momentum. New York might just keep doing that, but what I've seen in the past in these kind of patterns is the fact that New York loves to grab liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity being built here, so they're probably going to do liquidity sweep before doing continuation to this movement. So in other words, it might just continue to move higher a little bit, then come down strong, and then move up again for the rest of the day. Whatever they're gonna do it in the next 2 days for this week. Wednesday, not so much. We will see. There's a big gap at the bottom, I'm telling you. Tony, you got a very good point. The gap from yesterday was not retouched. So it's all about reading the context. Remember, we gotta understand the market, what the market is doing, but mainly look for setups. All right, the setup that we see right now, there's no setup. There's no setup at all. I'm giving you a game plan, and the game plan that I'm gonna be waiting for, I might have to wait a few hours, is to see a liquidity sweep at the bottom, then execute my trade. Because right now the market is too overbought. Let's say I buy here, and no, it's 924. Says Luis, the market might continue moving up to this yellow line. Buy here. I buy, and then the market collapses. What's gonna happen? I'm rushing into a trade only because I wanted to trade. This week, let's take it very slow, okay? Let's not rush into anything that we want to do only because we feel like trading. So reduce your risk to the lowest you can. All right. Remember, if you trade with lower risk, you have more chances to win. Why? Because the market's gonna flow and repeat itself in the same spot. Let's say you come just a silly thing here. You come and sell here. No, let's say you buy here with one contract, and the market decides to collapse. You have such a big room to let the market come down, do whatever it's going to do, and then push back up, and still in the game. But if you trade with a large contract and then you try to do a home run with little movement of the market, you're out. Then you're running the account. So if you have a 50K account, trade with 2 contracts. If you have a 25K, you don't have much room, just 1 contract. I have 150K. I'm gonna trade with 9 contracts. This is gonna be trading 3 accounts simultaneously. So that means 3 contracts per account on 150K. So 9:26, it will open very shortly. Just wait for that movement. It's gonna come down strong and move up. Oh, market open. It's Monday for me. Monday. Monday Funday. Alright, okay. I am waiting for me to. My head is just going like wham, wham. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. That's what I got right now. My wife is like over the weekend, she almost was crying, but. Let's make some money. We're here to make money. Let's make some money. Nah, I'm telling you, I wouldn't go out of the house right now, just in case that if it's a COVID, I don't want to contribute to spreading this thing. That's why we got a New Year's subway. And we were like super careful. Like we were like using like hand sanitizers, like all this fun stuff. But not enough. Okay, we got a few seconds for the market to open. 30 seconds. Just waiting. Let's see. If it's gonna come down hard or if it's gonna continue up. My thing is gonna come. It can go both ways. I'm just waiting for a setup. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Market open. Oof. A lot of movement. There you go, familia. You see? Coming down as it should. There you go. All right. At first, I'm gonna wait for the first 5 minutes. Battle of the ages. Fighting. Alright. Moving to the in the 15-minute time frame, it's okay. I'm looking at all the noise available. Buyers are fighting. Buyers are fighting hard. I think we should buy the market on a pullback, okay? It's fighting hard. There you go. Anybody buying? I'm going to be buying very soon. Everything is pushing higher, as we said. Wow. Anybody buying? On a pullback buy again. Not holding. Wow. Wow. I'm getting ready to buy. No holding. Oh, shoot. There you go. It's coming down hard. Probably gonna wipe out the liquidity at the bottom first, and that's what I'm gonna be buying. Wow, it's grabbing all that liquidity at the bottom. There you go. It's killing all that liquidity. That is brutal. Big dump. It is coming down, up again hard. Buyers are not letting it go. There you go, familia. You see how we came to the point here? And now it's reacting and pushing the market up. Let's see, I am in the buy. I bought right on the spot. I am with trailing stop only a few points up. Let's see. Ah, come on. Kick me out. It's probably gonna come to the second level here. It kicked me out. It was just closing all these stop losses over here. Wow, 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 wow. Second area. Oof, oof. Wow. Wow. This is just wiping up everything. It's so cool how I draw these labels for you guys here, and it's just coming right to them. You guys are seeing how the market is reacting to these levels, right? It's just hitting the stop losses and then pushing the market higher. Oof! Wow! 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 But it's probably gonna come to the third level at the bottom too here. So I'm gonna switch my hat and sell. Makes more sense to sell right now. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Aggressive buyers. It is just killing a stop losses there. Makes a lot more sense to sell right now. Anybody selling? Because it's gonna drop even further than that. If it kills all these stop losses, guess what? Wow. Very aggressive buyers are in house. Very aggressive sellers, sorry, sellers. Sell on a pullback, if I mean on a very good pullback sell. The thing is gonna drop even further by the looks of it. Wow. Big fight. Hmm. It's finding right now good support at the bottom. I think it's gonna break it. So much volatility at the bottom right now. Buyers want to kick in, but he doesn't let it go that easy. Oh my god, my headache is killing me. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. It is good to sell, familia. Better to sell. Buyers are finding a lot of support at the bottom. It's gonna come down hard, familia. Trust me, it's gonna come down hard. So on a pullback sell. Are you guys selling? There you go. That was a nice pullback. I'm on a nice sell right now. Nice sell, selling. There you go, familia. That was a nice pullback right there. I am selling right now. Oh yeah. I took this candle here. Let's go. Do trailing stuff, okay? Let's go. Yes. Oh my god, I have no strength. Money. All right. Let's go. Yes. Oh man. Oh man, this is so funny. All right. I am done already. Made all the money in the world in that pullback. I saw when in this candle, big push to the bottom. Let's see. As I said to you guys, familia, it's gonna, like Tony said, it's probably gonna come to that gap at the bottom. Oh my goodness. I am already with the trailing stop. $1,447 up times 3. That's good. Don't care what the market do at this point. It can take me out. It can take me in. It can do whatever he wants. I don't care. Oof. But you guys see, like, having a good game plan and just read the context of the market can get you where you want. There you go, familia. Are we winning or are we winning? Win. It's going to find resistance at the bottom, okay? Don't think this is it. It's gonna find resistance. It's gonna go up and down. I gave you the points where the market is going to reject some areas, and you see how it came down here, boom, push to the upside. Now it came to the second point, push into the upside. Guess what's on the bottom here? You know what I mean? More liquidity. So yes, the market will definitely try to push to the lower side. If you guys want to keep selling on big pullbacks, don't think this is it. All right, the market is going to move a lot. ES500 is finding resistance at the bottom too. We want to get stronger on stop losses and TPs. We are slowly. You guys are understanding these concepts and you guys are getting it slowly. Okay. But the biggest thing is you need to understand that the market is always going to move in the same spot over and over many times. Depending on the kind of trades that you want to do. All right, if you're looking at, for example, scalping, we're doing a scalping right now. It's pretty quick. I go in and out, make $1,000, get out right away. But if you're doing intra or even swing trade, and you can leave transactions open from one day to the next. If you trade with very slow lot sizes, you will always win. If you understand that. The market fluctuates in the same spot several times before it continues to another direction. But you have to look at the larger time frame so you know that the market is respecting the larger time frame, which is for NAS, it's going to the upside. ES500 is going to the upside. So no question. You know, even a kid from like kindergarten can see a pattern and recognize it. But only on the larger time frame. In the shorter time frames, you're gonna see all this craziness. But when you know how to read price action the way we do, you understand the direction of the market first. And that's all you need to make a quick, 100, 200, 300 bucks if you want during the day. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist or anything like that. Now, if you stay here, like if you make it, say, 300 bucks, and you stay in the market trying to keep trading, now you're gambling. And now you're gonna get hit. Remember, the house always wins. If you made your quota for today, you made your money, just don't trade anymore. Like, it's okay. Like, right now, I got out of the market 1,475. I am not going to push. If I see the setup again, I will buy it. I will sell again. But right now, the market is consolidating. It's probably gonna find or create some sort of resistance, support there, push the market higher, then come down again. It can do a lot of things. But the context of the market will tell you what is your next trade. And if you are waiting to gamble, guess what? The house always remember that. It's pushing back up now. Buyers want to kick in. Buyers want to kick in. I have a pretty cool indicator here that is telling me to buy right now. But I don't go by that. I don't think it should be the truth right now. Probably doing a nice retracement before continuing to the downside. I'm not sure. What is the bot saying? I have no strength on me right now. The bot is going to look for an entry. The last time it was updated was on the 15th. Bot is not doing anything. Let's see. Wow, it's back up again. See what I'm talking about? Even if you took a bad trade, the market is gonna come back to the same areas over and over, repeat itself in the same spots so many times. Buyers are kicking in. Not sure how far they're gonna push up, but if you measure this entire thing, it's sitting on a. Let's see. I'm gonna just highlight it for you guys here. Let's see, 50%. Just respecting the 50%. If I'm gonna take another trade, it should be around this area here, around this neighborhood here. Sell somewhere there. Volume is kind of dying a little bit, the momentum. But yeah, just making quick money here for me. Making quick money. I am still bearish all the way. believe my eyes. This market is insane. There you go. Pushing down. In terms of Elliott waves, it's doing an Elliott wave 2, pushing the market up. Sorry, down on a correction. And we know that we don't like 38%. It should go at least to 61, 70%, 78, 88. And all you gotta do is wait, okay? Wait for the market to come to you. Oof. Just wait, don't get desperate, right, familia? Man, I'm getting such a high fever right now. There you go. Hitting that 61. Wow. Hitting that 61%. Come on, push up. Come on, little monkey. It's doing a channel, by the way. I don't know if you guys notice it, but it is doing a channel. A little channel. It's doing fair pricing as it moves up. So you guys are waiting for an entry. Yeah, it's okay. You see, that's the best part, Tony, of like being able to do this from home in your own time. Because you can be sick. Imagine if you have to go to a job and you go like, hey, I'm sick. You will do that for sure. But right now, I am in my office. I can't afford to do whatever I want, even trading when I'm sick. Ooh, there you go. The S500 is coming down hard. I'm not sure if this is it. Just have to be really super careful. Familia, can you guys hit that like button, please, Familia? Just remember to hit that like button. That will help other traders to find this amazing community and join us. I think, honestly, Familia, like I have no problems trading when I'm sick because my mind is still functional and I'm okay. But I think the only way that I would not trade if it's something very serious, like super serious, like or either my kids are sick or my wife is super sick right now. She's sleeping, by the way, but as soon as she's up, or if I hear her coughing, I'm gonna stop this and just go and take care of her. Just sleeping, just pass out completely. She had a really rough night. Last year around this time, I'm the one who was sick. I had COVID last year around this time. There you go, pushing up. I remember spending. I was in Chicago last year around this time, and I came truly. It was around whether to the 22nd today. I came today from Chicago last year. As soon as I arrived home, I was sick until January for 10 days. They had celebrations going on in my house. I had to wear a mask like around people. Like I didn't want to do anything. Wow, yeah, it was bad. But this year seems that it's everybody else except me. But I'm getting it for sure because I feel it. Just my immune system is super strong and it's like fighting it. I have all my multivitamins here. I take this vitamins every day. That keeps me alive. Market is fighting the zone. He's fighting the zone. It's already in the area that I want to sell, but buyers are very strong right now. It is up too overbought. At any point, it can collapse. I'm honestly, by what I see here, I'm waiting just for a little push to get, because they like to do that stuff, you know. I'm waiting for a push to come into this neighborhood, and I'm gonna do a sell and put in my stop loss above the latest push. I can do a trade right now, but I'm not in a rush. I'm just seeing the momentum going to the upside. I'm waiting. No rush. If it leaves me behind, it's okay. I just know the market how dirty it could be. And I'll show you guys here, still within the channel, right? If it comes down to this area, you guys can buy here all the way up to here. But things are crossing, and right now the market can potentially come higher. The average pricing is crossing. We are in the channel, pushing to the upside. Just waiting for me. That's just waiting. Anybody buying? Just buy the market. Don't be afraid. It's fighting it. It's fighting the zone, eh? My zone, where I put that X, is fighting it. If it break this zone, then it's collapsing. All right, let's go. Let's go. Anybody buying? It's gonna probably do a continuation flag there. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Sell. Oh man. Look at that. It came to the spot, respected it, and broke it. Now coming down slow. Elliott wave 2. I think it's just fake up. I think it's just a fake up. Remember the movement that the market did on CPI last week? It did a clean of everything, then went up like a snake. I told you, like you're a snake, so you can see. I believe he's doing the same thing, just clearing everybody out before continuation. Beautiful, huh? I missed it. I was waiting to get higher, but I missed it. Totally missed it. Yeah, correct. Tony, you're on the spot. Pushing back up again. You're in a short. Okay, good, good. Well, not for too long. It's gonna move up higher again. But you got it on the spot, right? What's up, man? What's up, Jaime? Here we go. Let's see if I'm in it. Let's see. Familia, I'm gonna cut it short right now. My wife is calling me, and I'm not feeling well either. So, I'll follow up with you guys on the VIP today. For now, keep trading. If you guys didn't make it, but I'll touch bases again with you guys tomorrow. Okay, familia? Peace. Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Goodbye.